Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Welcome back, an old man in the land of grills. Well, that one. So late in the day on a Saturday, folks, I've been really busy today. I want to make some really good burgers, and I don't know if you ever tried them, but cheese and cabbage stuffed burgers. Oh man, very very good. And we're gonna do some tater tots too. We're gonna use both sides of these this Blackstone here. This has got a gas grill on this side, and then it's got the griddle top on this side. This is the Tailgater, and I'll tell you what, I've done some mods to it. Put the wheels on there and some other things, folks. You want to see that? Obviously, Tom Horseman at YouTube, and then you can see all the other grills I've got going on here, folks. I'll tell you what, let's go take a look at those. I know everybody's saying, what? Cabbage burgers? Yeah, let's take a closer look, shall we? All right, folks, there's our burger we're making. Oh man, I got 1 pound of 90-10. I got some of this 6 cheese Italian. I love that stuff in there. Some of the Zang stir fry oil, garlic infused. We're using everything different here today. You're saying, I've never heard of any of this stuff going in a burger. Chili lime from Cindy Lou's. This stuff is awesome, folks. I'll leave the link down below for Cindy Lou's. And then like a handful of shredded red cabbage in a burger. Imagine that, folks. So let's get mixing this up and give you a look-see once it's all mixed up. Bet you never thought you'd see cabbage in a burger, huh? Cabbage and cheese in a burger. So you're wondering what the 2 plates are for? That's kind of how I make my burgers. You put them in between, and this will give you nice consistent burgers every time when it comes to thickness. And you just take your other plate, you flip it over, and squeeze them down. And there you go. There's a nice half-pound burger right there, folks. Get the other one going. And I'll tell you what, let's go take a look at those tater tots. Tater tots cooking right around the 450 mark. Oh, man, looking good. Give you a look-see. Can't wait to get those burgers on. What about you? Oh man, I love this Blackstone. It's really an awesome piece of equipment, and it's perfect for me. Oh man, hear the sizzle, folks. Oh, these burgers are going to be awesome. Did I mention that I have some pretzel buns? Oh man, we'll post those up too. Folks, give it a couple of look-sees as we cook these. Stay tuned. Well, there you go. There's my deal of the day. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace, folks. $90 for this old Craftsman. This is a 1980s vintage Craftsman radio alarm saw, folks. I just love these things. I grew up working with one. My dad had one, and I still got all my fingers. So these things, you gotta be very careful with them, but I'm really looking forward to I keep on watching. Obviously, you can see my little wood shop here is coming along pretty nicely. I know. Let's get back to cooking, shall we? All right, folks, let's give them a quick flip here, shall we? Oh, man. Look at that. Now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cover them just to hold that heat in and get them cooked up a little bit better. So give you another look-see. All right, folks, burgers are just about done. We'll give you a look-see. I'm gonna toast up those buns and then meet you back in the kitchen. Oh man, folks, I know you can't wait to see. Look at the tater tots on the Blackstone tater tots. And then you're wondering about the red cabbage and cheeseburgers. Oh man, look at that. That is awesome. See the cheese in there and a little bit of the cabbage. This is gonna be, folks, you don't know what you're missing. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Subscribe, please. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to wash your hands. Stay fit, stay safe, folks. And as always, thanks for watching.